Hello. Um, Today's February the 18th, Tuesday. You have an assignment today about determining absolute age. And to do this, we're going to need to get a little understanding of what radiometric dating is. So I'm going to just give you a very simplistic overview of how it works, assuming that this is review for everyone. So here's how radiometric dating works. Radiation is just the natural decay of some unstable atom, this one here on the left, into a stable atom. And the unstable atom here is just a parent isotope. We're going to call that a parent isotope. And when it decays, it naturally gives off a little bit of energy, and then the process went off. It takes to on the L. Know the breathe fraction of these have six. If you every solar radiation. So that amount of carbon synthesis, so 14 course or what, no longer carbon for to the mirror. You're going to need to, here, I'll just show you how this works because it's a little complex, but not terribly complex. So tinyurl.com/LNHS C14. So there's a little simulation you'll need to use. To use it, you need to download it. So click download. If you click here, that will also download. So it's downloading down there in the corner, and you need to say, yes, I will keep it. To open it, you have to go to your Finder and open it from there. So I'm looking at my recent downloads. I can open it from there. Yes, I want to open it. And it's opening. Okay, there it is. So once that's open, then you can use the instructions that are in your handout to be able to complete this assignment. Go be awesome.